What's up, guys? Back at again with another YouTube video, and today we're installing a Roush axle back system on this 2017 Mustang GT. All right, first things first, guys, we're gonna put this thing up on the ramps. All right, now that we're under the car, these are both the mufflers that we're gonna be cutting off right there. So the system, the Roush system right here, right at this turn right here, right when the bend becomes straight, that's where we're gonna cut them off. All right, so we're gonna use tape instead of a marker so we can see our solid line, and we're just gonna cut right at the end right here. All right, guys, so right here we're gonna put some WD-40 in, and then we can just pull this right out just like that. Now we're just gonna take this blue tape off right here, and now you're gonna grab some sandpaper and just sand down all the burrs in there. All right, now with the Roush, we're gonna just put it right here. We're gonna kind of slide it in from the top, slide it in, put it all the way forward, and we're just gonna slide it in the back just like that. It should just slip right over just like that. All right, now with a 15mm right here, you're gonna tighten up this clamp right in the back. All right, so now we're on the passenger side doing this side. So like again, we gotta put this tape down right where the bend becomes straight. So it's right where it becomes straight. So this is where we're gonna cut right here. I'm gonna throw some WD-40 on the blade to help it cool down, lubricate and everything. And now you can just get to cutting. All right, now, like again, you're gonna spray some WD-40 and just slide it right out. Same thing on this side, we're just gonna sand everything down so it's all nice and flat. So up here, we're gonna spray some WD-40 so it kind of goes in better. And now, same thing again. Just gonna put it through here, slide it in, and you're just gonna mount it just like that. All right, make sure this is all the way slid on, just like that. And now you can grab your 15 again and just tighten it down. That's how you guys install a Roush axle back system on your 2017 Mustang GT. And now we're gonna get some before and after clips.